morning, Bo's Garage enthusiast. It's Corey Bo with Bo's Garage here. Today I've got something special for you. I hope I did not just spoil that. That would be insane. I'm gonna review the footage and see, but I don't think I did. So, anyways, I picked up something off a marketplace. Now, before I go into detail, the rims that I had for Legacy, who is currently, we march on over here. Sitting pretty over there. The rims that I had, I traded them to a guy out in somewhere. I don't even remember where it was. It was somewhere in the middle of buttfuck nowhere, Iowa. That being said, that is a GM 305. Alright. Let me back up a little bit. Yeah, the 305 is a little rough. I'm tearing this motor all the way down, and we're going to do it together. So here's some of those numbers here. Can't actually read this number here. This I can read. That's what allowed me to figure out it's a 305. I knew it was a 305 going into it. I just don't know the year still. I think it's like an 82 to 85. There's a DO45 number. But hey, like I said, have a little patience, have a little faith. Things are coming. I'm doing some paint work on Legacy, doing some brake work, just some minor stuffs. But yeah, if you enjoy this content, make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and go ahead and leave a comment. I want to know what you guys think of this engine. I know it's a little rough. Yeah, it's rough. It's not in the greatest of shape. It sat in a barn like this. I need to get heads. I need to get an intake. I know that. A bunch of stuff I need to get for it. Hell, maybe I'll build it for something. Legacy engine swap? Who knows? We'll find out. But that's going to do it for right now. I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.